What is going on, everybody? Tyson here with Faithfully Bearded, and today I want to bring to you a company that I've never really heard of. They reached out to me. They asked me about my beard. They asked me if I wanted to take a look at their product, and so I did take a look at their product, and I took a look at the website, and I took a look at the ingredients, and I was like, you know what, this might be kind of cool. Like, I want to know if it does what you say it's gonna do. So I had them send me out a package. So for full disclosure, I didn't pay for this stuff, and they did not pay me for a review. They sent me the stuff, and I've been thoroughly testing it and trying it out, and I want to bring it to you guys to see what I think of it, give you guys my thoughts and opinions. So welcome on into the Faithful Studio. I am Tyson, and we're going to dig into all the fun of Savvy Fit soaps right after this. So, bringing you another soap review, right? Bringing you another soap review. There's nothing wrong with soaps. I mean, we all use soap to clean our body, but for me, I more care about the soap that's going on to my beard and how my beard is feeling. So that's kind of the process that I'm bringing to you guys today. The opinion that I'm bringing to you guys is coming from my beard more than my skin, all right? So keep that in mind as you watch this, and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, all right? So I've been doing some soap reviews lately because I just tend to like soap, and that just seems to be a thing that's in right now. Soaps are in, and people are putting out soaps, and people like soaps, and you know, all that stuff. So soap it is. Soap. But anyway, here we go. So Savvy Fit Soaps is created with in mind being all natural. All right. So let me just read a little bit of something from you straight from the website, because I don't want to quote it wrong. And so he sent me a little brochure when he sent me this stuff. So in 2010, he started it to learn about natural soap and skincare as a continuation of his fitness and nutrition journey, while inspired by an odd turn of events that got him paranoid about his skin. Skin, it's important. He became a label reader and was reading labels and finding out the things that people put in their body is crazy. The things that are in things, chemicals and preservatives and all this type of stuff that's in things. And so he's kind of reading, and basically he's got a family now, and he wants to take care of himself and all that. So he created a brand that he wanted to be passionate about, wanted to be smart about, and savvy means smart. He also has a daughter named Savannah, so he kind of named it Savvy, and it went from there. But when you look at the ingredients that that they use in here, okay, so here we go. So they have ingredients that all of these are basically the base of all their soaps. Okay, so you're looking at like coconut oil, palm kernel oil, olive oil, organic, sustainable palm oil, castor oil, avocado oil, jojoba oil, shea butter, and cocoa butter. Sounds kind of crazy for a soap, right? I mean, I was just kind of like, how do you make a soap out of that stuff? Like, seems weird. I don't know. So I got it. And I look at it, and you know, like the first one I get is called the Defense Bar. Now the Defense Bar, and these are vegan, all right? It's lavender patchouli. So as you can see here, like I haven't even opened and used this one, and there's a reason for it. I don't like lavender, and I don't like patchouli. So when I smell it, it smells like lavender and patchouli, and lavender just gives me a headache. So now I'm probably going to get a headache because I just sniffed it, and now I'm playing around with it. But here's the size of the bar, and these are, let's see if there's a size here. 4.5 ounces, all right? 4.5 ounces, and they are vegan friendly. You hear that, Sober Chef Eric? Vegan friendly. I know you're going to like that. So no dyes, no fragrance, no alcohol, no metal, no parabens, no sulfates. So right here you have coconut oil, olive oil, shea butter, cocoa butter, sustainable palm oil, castor oil, avocado oil, jojoba oil, oatmeal, lavender, and patchouli essential oils. Patchouli and, essential oils and stuff, and all the goods with it. So that's kind of like a normal size bar. And then you go to that's the Defense Bar, okay? And then you go to the Sports Bar. Where do I got the Sports Bar? I got it right here somewhere. Okay, so here you go. Boom, Sports Bar. Now, the reason I'm saying boom, Sports Bar, and I'm showing it to you is like, okay, so this is the one that I've been using, and I've used this in the shower. I've counted it. It has been 16 showers. All right, so 16 showers. I'd say this bar is going to last me a month. It's probably going to last a month. I would say it's going to last, right around there. It's still, decent size, but I'm halfway through it. All right, so this is the Sports Bar, and this is charcoal and eucalyptus. So you get that activated charcoal in there, but you got the same basically things. You got eucalyptus essential oil, tangerine essential oil, and activated charcoal with that base. So now we're talking about ingredients, and we're talking about what, it's vegan and it's sustainable and it's organic and all of that stuff that is in there with it. And we got this soap, and we got this nice labels, and we got these nice packages, and it comes with, this really cool paperwork that kind of tells you about it, and it's on this thick paper. And it's like, I've never seen anybody use this thick of paper before. This is some thick paper. And you get, like this that has all the different types of bars on there, but you can find that all on the website and everything. Now, and so you might want to know, like, how did it work? How did it work, Tyson? And the first thing that I noticed when it worked is, like, it cleaned really well. Like, it cleaned really, really well. I put it in my beard, and I was, like, blown away right away. I was like, this is awesome. This is awesome. It cleans my beard really good. Now, keep in mind, I wash my beard every day, so I'm used to a beard wash every single day. I like that. That's how I like to... I wash my beard every day, and I don't use a co-wash. That's based on the porosity of my hair. And, so that's how I do it. And I've really enjoyed that. So then I started using this, and I'm like, this is... you can feel it's pretty stripping. And I'm okay with that, usually. And... so I was good. My beard was styling really nice after it. I think after about a week of using it in a row, I was just kind of like, okay, this might not be for my beard every single day. It's a little stripping. It's a little stripping to use in my beard every day. So I kind of switched to a beard wash, used this for my skin, and did a beard wash. So overall, if you like a stripping wash, I would say this is great for your skin. Great for your beard. It's got nothing in it that's going to hurt your beard. It's just a little too stripping for my beard to use daily. But this is a fantastic bar of soap, and I would recommend it for everybody's skin. Find one. And again, I use the activated charcoal one. Maybe if you use one of the different bars, like maybe the Forever bar, the Momentum bar, the Sports bar, the Zest bar, the Boot Tea bar, or the Buddy bar. There's a bunch of different bars. This is... I couldn't use one because I didn't, the scent, I'm kind of allergic to it. I say I'm allergic to it. It just causes me a headache, and I don't really like that. But then you have the Sports bar, and it's got the activated charcoal, which can cause a little bit more strippage than other bars, so it could be a little bit more heavy stripping because of that. But there's also this stuff, this stuff right here called Magic Lotion. And Magic Lotion, they call it Magic Lotion. It's hydrating, healing, protecting, and it can work as a shaving oil, I guess. But it's jojoba oil, metafoam seed oil, organic tea tree oil, essential oil, organic lavender essential oil, and peppermint essential oil. Now, I see Magic Lotion as I'm like, this is a lotion, so I'm going to rub it on like a lotion. Actually, it worked. It worked like a lotion. But I think this would work in a lot of other things like pre-shave oil. You could put it in your hair if you put oil in your hair or anything like that. So, I'm down with it, for the pricing of all this stuff. Like, it's pretty good. Now, he did give you guys a code. The code is Tyson. So if you want to go check out Savvy Fit, I'll link it down below. I think you could go check them out and see what they're all about. I like the story behind it. I like that it's vegan. I like that it's organic. That type of stuff works with me. I like that it worked. I felt really clean. It suds up nice. It makes me feel nice and clean afterwards. The scents are nice, other than the patchouli lavender, but I don't like lavender. Patchouli's okay, but I don't like lavender. But maybe I'll still use it anyway. I don't know. I want to keep testing it out, but the ingredients in here is what we're talking about. The ingredients are fantastic. This is good for your skin, it's good for your sewer, You wash all the stuff down the shower. It's good for the environment. And it's vegan, all right? So it's vegan. This is some good stuff. I am actually really glad that they reached out. I appreciate you guys reaching out and asking me to do this review. It's fantastic. Thanks for sending this stuff out. And I would recommend this to people to try out. So those are my thoughts on Savvy. If you guys have tried them out, let me know in the comments below. Sound off in those comments. Have you tried them out before? Is it something you'd be interested in trying out now? Again, you can use the code Tyson if you want. There's not really, I don't know what the percentage. You're just gonna have to go find out. Go check out the website and find out what the percentage off is. It's probably 20%, 10%, 15, 18, 16, 17, 19. I don't know what the percent is. You just go to the website and type it in, and it'll tell you. But they also have candles. They got some good looking candles there. I kind of like that. I love candles. You can get gift packs. Like, check out this gift pack right here. What kind of cool present would that make for Father's Day, or Mother's Day, or a birthday, or summer day, or any day that you want? So, check it out. I stand behind it as a soap. Work good in my beard, nice and stripping. I would continue to use this stuff when I run out. Might go back and buy more and use that code Tyson. I don't know. So thank you everybody for checking this out. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Consider subscribing if you haven't. I love all of you. I love the interactions that we have down in the comments. I love the thumbs up. I love the Instagram messages. I love everything about this, and I'm so glad that you guys took the time out of your day to stop and watch this video, and I appreciate that so much, and I appreciate each and every one of you as human beings. And until I talk to you guys again soon, be bearded, be you, and God bless.